Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 67 Ford GT MK4 Mark IV. Okay, and I picked up this casting because it looks really beautiful and with a paint job and all. So I went ahead and bought this one. So compared to the GT race, the Ford GT race, this one looks really beautiful in my opinion. So let's unbox and see how this one actually looks. So that Ford GT race looks really nice, but my only concern there is it doesn't have any acrylic headlights. They could have gone with some acrylic headlights, but no, they just painted it off. But that casting is overall a beautiful casting. So here it is. So the first impressions of this casting, this looks so beautiful, and so if you are holding this in your hand under a light or sunlight or any light, this really shimmers a lot. And so far I don't see any paint job issue. Okay, I spoke too soon. Okay, there's a little bit of scratch here. I'm not sure if you guys can able to see it. It's very little since it's a dark paint job. I'm not sure if you guys can able to see that. And the livery looks really awesome. I don't see much of a issue there. And my favorite thing about this casting, it does have some acrylics for the headlights, which is really awesome on both sides. It looks really beautiful, and you can see the flaming vinyls here, which looks really beautiful, and it has some engine details to it, interior details as well. It looks really beautiful, and the rims are colored actually in like kind of dark blue. It has some nice detailing to it, but wish they added some paint job here. So they had they did three side paint job, right? 1, 2, and you can count this as 1 and 2 and 3. So the body is fully metal, and the chassis overall from here to here, it is fully plastic, including this part here, it is plastic. The exhaust, it is not that heavy, it is very light casting. So let's do a roll test. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. It just moves to one side. Okay, it just stops in between. So when it comes to rolling, it is not really a good casting. But as a collector's point of view, if you are just buying this for collecting, I'm going to honestly say this. Compared to rest of the cars which we unboxed, this one is a really beautiful casting. Even compared to the Godzilla one. Godzilla one, it is full metal, that's it. No, but there is no paint job, there's no headlight details, nothing, apart from the Godzilla livery there. But this one literally has everything, maybe apart from the rear details here, the tail light details and all. But so this is really a beautiful casting. So my suggestion would be, if you are seeing this casting in front of you, and if you have money in your hands, go ahead and buy it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.